Hello guys, I will be showing you a really basic calculator project. It doesn't have a graphic user interface, but I'm planning to come back to this project later on and improving it. This is basically my first Python project, so it's basically the first step to mastering the language. I will be posting my progress on GitHub. It's called 100 plus days of Python, which I will be posting all my code there too. So if you want to check out my code, is on GitHub. So thank you so much for accompanying me on this journey. So basically, what this project does is calculate the sum, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. That's all it does basically. So it's like a really simple project. For example, 5 plus 5. If I put the sum, it's supposed to give me 10. Run it again. 5 plus 5. If I do the multiplication, 25. So yeah, it's basically all my code, and I hope to see you guys soon on my next project.